Konnichiwa. Welcome to Maryland and Harold Blogs. Ayo. Um, for this video, I'm going to show y'all how to create a logo. So we're gonna use Canva. I'm going to go to canva.com. I already have it saved on my bookmarks. So if you want to make a logo for your company, this is a great place to make your logo. So for example, here it gives you different examples right here that you can use. It gives you the design. So for example, let me see which one am I going to pick. Something that I like to do. This is a gym one over here. Let me see. I'll pick this one. We'll see what we can do. Magno barbell. Okay, so let's see. For example, I'm gonna type in gym and let's see what it gives me. So it gives me this logo right here. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take it and then I'm gonna customize it on my way. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna click on the words. So I'm gonna put the name of the gym that I would name my gym, for example, or if you have a gym, I would name mine Swosilla. So okay. Now if you click on the words, you can go here and you can change the color. You can change the color like I just did on the round on the round design. So I'm just gonna go with blue right now. So let me change this one. You can change all of them. So I'm gonna change both to red. Oh, I'll do that one black. I'm gonna make that one a little bigger. You can just go hit the plus sign right here and it'll make your letters bigger. So now what I want to do, I want to go to elements, and here I'm going to type in gym, and it's going to give you elements that are shaped like that, or whatever category that you're looking for. So also here on top it gives you fitness, workout, exercise, dumbbell, stuff like that. So I like this design right here. That's pretty cool. So the problem here is that it's in front. So to be able to see the letters, you have to move it to the back. So what we're going to do, you go to precision, backwards, and then there it goes. It's all the way in the back now. Let me change. I wonder if I could change the picture of that dumbbell. Yeah. So yeah, let me see if I can delete it. Yeah, so I'm gonna take that dumbbell off. Now the letters here, I can't see them, so obviously I'm going to change the color. That way we can see them. Make them bold. It's B right here for bold. Black, no. I think white works better. But the background here is not helping too much. The words, I'm going to change them to black. No, white. White is more visible, so we're gonna go with white. Okay, so I'm going back to elements. Let me see what else I can pick. Something that I can put behind here. Like a weight or something. There was one that I used previously. Let's go to dumbbell. Weights. See how it gives you these different um, different elements that you can pick. I'm looking for, there you go, this one. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna expand it, uh, expand it. So you see how the weight is in front of the guy. So we're gonna go to position backwards once again, and you see how now it's in the back. Okay, let's see. Right there looks like, yeah, right there will work. Now let me see if I can do something with these words. I don't know. They look like I can't see them. Maybe I'm just blind. I think red goes better, but maybe we can try. And when you go here, you see where it says EXO, you just click the down arrow and it's gonna give you new fonts. So you could change the fonts if you're not satisfied with the font. You know, make it smaller. So this font is more thicker, so I'm gonna go with this font because it's more visible to me. Let's try to see if white. Yeah, there you go. So now you can see the words. It says Swosilla Gym Fitness Center, and there goes my logo. This is the way you can create a logo for any business that you have. So that's our logo. All you do is go here, you go to download. PNG is gonna say high quality image. That's the best one to go with. So once you pick it, you just go to download, and it's gonna download straight to your computer. You can upload, you can use it. Please like and subscribe if this video helped you. So thank you.